Wow, ang galing naman niya. Oo nga.
Kasama na ni Scarlett tsaka ni Junjun yung zombie. Zombie na sila! Mimay! Mimay, tulungan mo kami! Tao pa rin sila? Paano pa nangyari yun? Tapos, may kasama pa silang zombie? Ay, alam ko na baka nagpapagdap lang sila!
Hala, Junjun, tinakbuhan lang tayo ni Mimay. Hala, parang si Mimay yung tumatakbo ah. Siguro hinahabol siya ng mga zombie. Hoy, Mimay! Mimay, dito!
Maria! Maria!
Bilis! Bilis!
Maria! Si Junjun sa kanil naging zombie na!
Ha? Ano? Kawawa naman sila. Hindi zombie na pala sila.
Hello, Scarlett! Ang daming zombies!
Junjun, ay siguro nagkait yung zombie na to. Kasi gagawin to yung pulutan. Anong sinasabi niya, Junjun?
Hindi ko rin alam, Scarlett.
Ano yung sinasabi mo? Ganyan-ganyan? Alam mo ko na, Scarlett. Ang sabi niya, pupunuan daw tayong zombie-zombie. Pag malapit daw tayo sa kanila, gumising ng maraming zombie para makadaan tayo. Talaga ba? Nakakatakot naman.
Scarlett, takbo! Ako ay pinagpalit pero di yun masakit. Alam mo kung bakit ang pangit kong pinalit?
Ako ay pinagpalit pero di yan masakit. Alam ko sa sarili ko na ako masigit. Yeah, wait, ako mas
Ceripit tulang bajing, kacapit bulu pare seseget na ceripit tulang bajing.
Megan, Junjun, may pasalubong ako sa inyo.
Talaga, Daddy! Yay!
Oh, teka, nasaan si Junjun, Megan?
Di ko po alam, Daddy!
Tita, andito po ako. O, nandyan ka pala, Junjun. Ito nga pala yung pasalubong mo.
Ayun, Daddy! Bakit si Junjun meron pa sa lubong? Tapos ako wala!
Siyempre naman, anak, hindi kita makakalimutan. O, Junjun, yung sa'yo. O, Megan. Thank you po, Tito. Wow,
Ayoko nito, Daddy! Gusto ko to!
Meg-
Ito yung gusto ko.
Junjun, papasensya mo na si Megan, ha? Ito na lang yung sa'yo.
Okay lang po sa akin, Tito. Salamat po.
Akin dito! Gusto ko na lang yung sa akin!
Megan, sumusobra ka na. Bigyan mo yung pinsan mo.
Ayoko, Daddy! Sa akin lang to!
Pagpasensya mo na, Junjun, ha? Baka siguro naninibago lang yun.
Okay lang po sa akin yun, Tito.
Hayaan mo, Junjun. Bukas na bukas, bibigyan din kita.
Pabida ka talagang Junjun ka. Lahat na lang kinukuha mo sa akin.
Wala na po pera. Magkano pala yung kumain sa Oh, Ronaldo, nandiyan ka na pala. Pengi pera. Wala na po pera eh.
Ba?
sundo kasi yung sahod ko eh.
Ano ba yung Ronaldo? Lagi na lang. Akala ko gagawa ka ng paraan. Teka, hindi ko na paligid. Nagpadala ba kayo?
Hindi ko sila nagpapadali eh. Tsaka, wala pa silang update.
Ayun na nga sinasabi ko eh. Nag-isang pala dito si Junjun. Hindi pa nagpapadala yung magulang na. Para naman tayo nito.
Kaya nga, Daddy, palayasin nyo na lang yan si Junjun. Pagdagdag yan dito sa bahay.
Megan, Valerie, tumahimik nga kayo. Baka nakakalimutan nyo. Ako yung nagtatrabaho dito sa pamamahay na to. Tsaka Valerie, nasaan yung binigay ko sa yung pang-isang buwang budget dito sa bahay? Ha? Nasaan na yun?
Hindi nga aabot ang ito.
Nang dahil sa'yo, Junjun, nagkakabog ng mama at daddy ko. Nagkakabog sa akin.
Han, yung bag ko. Papasok na ako.
Oh, Han, andyan lang na gitara nakasabit.
Sige Han. Ito, asan yung pera ko dito? Han, nasan yung pera ko dito? Kinuha mo ba? Pamatahin ko yun.
Han, wala akong kinukuha ang pera dyan. Tanong mo si Megan.
Megan! Megan! Kinuha mo yung pera ko dito? Megan!
Junjun. Yes po, Daddy.
Nandiyan ka pala. Ikaw ba kumuha ng pera ko dito sa bag?
Hindi po, Daddy. Pero, nakita ko si Junjun kanina lumapit dyan sa may bag mo.
Megan! Megan!
Junjun, ba't may hawak kang pera?
Ha?
Di ba, Daddy? Daddy! Si Junjun!
Alam mo, Ronaldo, kung pamangkin mo pala kumuha ng pera mo.
Tumahimik ka nga muna, Valerie.
People who once inherited earned a large amount of money in a short amount of time. What was the biggest change? You find that lots of things you thought you wanted, you don't want now you can have them. Not having a dad anymore. My relatives and I divided the inheritance equally. Each bought an apartment. No one took more. Acted humanely. You start identifying the things that can be fixed with money, and those that cannot. I'm less reluctant to speak my mind at work. Having the go F yourself option available is very liberating. My grandmother had an education fund made for me and put money in it every month. I was pretty young, and my mom was poor and wanted to use that money to buy pot and cigarettes and other stuff. She kept bugging me and bribing me with stuff. I told my grandmother, who made sure my mom couldn't access the account. You know how on online shopping or real estate listings you can list things highest price to lowest? I thought that was hilarious and that nobody would ever use it. It turns out that it's really useful when money is no object and you prefer to not spend time looking at the lower end options.
Everyone believes I am the most heinous criminal in the entire country. Not only did I seduce my stepsister's fiancé, but I also pushed her down the stairs, leaving her in a vegetative state. I was imprisoned and everyone, including my 3 brothers, wished for my early death. As punishment, I was forced to participate in a memory broadcast, publicly revealing my memories to all.
Asan nga pala si Junjun?
Yet no one expected the footage to overturn everyone's perceptions. In a rooftop studio overlooking the city, my 3 brothers were tied to chairs, each a prominent figure in society. But today, they were compelled attendees. The machine began playing the first memory, a scene from our childhood. It was the 8th birthday of one of my brothers, Torin. Our family gathered to celebrate with a lively party. As the memory played, Torin's face twisted in disgust. He addressed the audience. This was the day Alicia and I were kidnapped. I managed to open the car door, but she pushed me down and ran away alone to save herself. His words sparked outrage in the comments. So, Alicia didn't just harm her stepsister, she betrayed her own brother too. Torin loved her so much, yet she could do something so inhuman.
Bakit po ba
Amid the
galit na galit
insults,
kayo
the
sa
memory
akin? Ano po
continued.
ba yung masama
That
kong
night,
ginawa?
a group of kidnappers broke into our
Ginagawa ko
home
naman
and
po
snatched
yung
me
lahat
away
para
unnoticed.
wala kayong masabi
Terrified,
sa
I thought I'd be
akin.
taken forever.
Oh,
But Torin noticed my
sumasagot ka na sa
disappearance
akin?
and chased after me, only to be overpowered and
Valerie?
captured as well.
Valerie! Valerie!
I sobbed, apologizing. I'm sorry. If I
Ano yung
hadn't been
nabalitaan mo
caught,
sa labas na
you wouldn't have
nagsusugal
had to
ka raw?
come save me.
Kayo naman ang
Torin
nabalitaan
reassured me
yan.
gently. It's
basta
not
may
your fault.
nagsabi sa akin.
I'll get you out
Totoo ba yun?
safely.
Hindi,
Later,
Ronaldo!
Torin found a
Hindi
wrench
totoo
and
yun.
pried open the truck door.
Pag nalaman kong
But during
totoo
the
yan,
struggle,
umangat
he was
talaga sa akin,
injured.
Valerie.
At this point in the memory, Torin scowled. This is where she abandoned me, wounded. Yet what followed
Wala, anak.
surprised
May
me.
pinag-uusapan lang
I
kami ng
overheard the
mami mo.
kidnappers in the front seat.
Kasalanan mo to,
That
John
brat's
John.
up to something.
Kung bakit
Let's pull over and
nag-aaway na
check.
naman si Daddy at si
Torin,
Mami.
focused on escaping,